Hello guys, I am very excited to announce here I have found an amazing token. Token name is Thundercake. This token have more than 38k follower on Telegram and more than 11k followers on Twitter, 10.9k. This token audited by TechRate to ensure blockchain security. This is audit report. We can analyze this audit report. Thundercake is world first double reward reflection token using the power of 80-20. That means we will receive double reflection. 80% invest for mid-term and 20% invest for long-term future. And just hold Thundercake to earn 8% cake and 2% thorium. That means on every transaction we will receive 10% tax, 8% cake and 2% thorium. Thorium is highly potential 100x token. Each transaction automatically every 60 minutes. When we will receive 10% reflection on every transaction, reflection automatically sent in your wallet in every 60 minutes. What is Thundercake? Thundercake is the next evolution of a reflection token on Binance Smart Chain. Thundercake work on 80-20 reflection. Get rewarded 8% in the cake, 2% in the thorium. These are contract address of Thundercake, thorium and cake contract. These are tweets of Thundercake. We can check every tweet. And why should I invest in Thundercake? We can also watch this video. Thundercake is totally different from single reflection token. Like other token have single reflection, but Thundercake have double reflection reward using the power of 80-20. 8% of transaction tax in cake can be equal to 24% when cake price will 3x in the future. Thorium 20% for long term future. Thorium have innovative features with a hyper deflationary nature. Thorium price is expected to 100x in the year and next, and 2% of transaction tax for a token like thorium can be equal to 200% in long term future. Innovative features of thorium. First feature is 8% reflection reward in cake. On every buy and sell transaction, holder receive 8% reflection reward in cake. 2% of every buy and sell transaction, holder receive 2% reflection reward in thorium. Minimum holding is 2 lakh Thundercake tokens. Third is auto paid every 60 minutes. That means on every buy and sell transaction, holder receive 10% rewards, and this reward automatically sent in holder's reward wallet in every 60 minutes. If thorium holder do not get rewards, holder can be manually claim function on website. Fourth is 3% auto liquidity and auto buyback and burn. 3% of every transaction automatically added to the PancakeSwap liquidity pool, and certain value of tokens will burn. Fifth is extra 1% fee. Extra 1% is applied to all sales. This will be allow us to reduce swing trading and weak whales control. And last is big marketing plan. 3% of every transaction is allocated to dev and marketing in BNB, so we can fuel the most ambitious project and reward our active community. Distribution of Thundercake token. Total token is 100 billion. Dev fund 10%. For marketing 5%. Airdrop 1%. Pre-sale 54%. And logged liquidity on PancakeSwap 30%. This is roadmap of Thundercake. Roadmap decide the path and future of Thundercake token. Phase 1 website launch, 40k plus Telegram member, pre-sale launch and liquidity lock. Launch on PancakeSwap with $5 million market cap. Listing on CoinGecko and Blackfolio. Influencer marketing push and meme contest. Phase 2 10k plus follower in Twitter, 10,000 holders. partnership with influencer and YouTubers, ThunderCake dashboard, earning tracking, listing on CoinMarketCap, massive marketing, $25 million market cap, $50 million market cap, phase 3, $100 million market cap, ThunderCake swap, ThunderCake merchandise shop, marketing, listing on CEX, $500 million market cap, charity donation, research donation, more to be announced coming soon, and how to buy. We can also watch this video and follow this process. Download MetaMask or Trust Wallet in our mobile phone, buy and send BNB in MetaMask, and open PancakeSwap exchange using this address, and we will use 16 to 80% slippage for effective purchasing. And ThunderCake DEX chart, price is $0.00653854, 1.74% high, volume in 24 hour around 1.50 million, liquidity $1.692 million, and market cap is $5.319 million. Sale start from 7 August. Here is minimum point and volume. This chart is continuously increasing. Hurry up, buy now. This token is ready for moon. And here we can check detailed information of ThunderCake token. This is doc information of ThunderCake token, and we can also check detailed information about ThunderCake tokens. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. Thanks for watching.